Hi dear friends, welcome to the 22nd part of multiple choice questions on income tax. Question 1. Tax credit shall be carried forward for A. 4 years, B. 8 years, C. 10 years and D. 15 years. Option D. 15 years. Second one. MMR stands for A. Minimum marginal rate, B. Maximum marginal rate, C. Minimum markup rate and D. Maximum markup rate. Option B. Maximum marginal rate. Third one. If total income of an individual exceeds rupees 5 crore, MMR shall be A. 30.9%, B. 35.88%, C. 39% and D. 42.74%. Option D. 42.74%. Fourth one. Due date of filing return of income in case of firm whose accounts are to be audited is A. July 31, B. August 31, C. September 30 and D. October 31. Option C. September 30. Fifth one. Tax deducted at source is made by A. Person making payment, B. Income tax department, C. Taxpayer and D. all of these. Option A. Person making payment. Sixth one. Donation for family planning is allowed as deduction at A. 100%, B. 50%, C. nil, D. none of these. Option A. 100%. Seventh one. Unabsorbed capital expenditure on scientific research can be carried forward for A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 8 years and D. indefinite period. Option D. indefinite period. Eighth one. Deduction allowed under section 80 TTB shall be up to A. rupees 10,000, B. rupees 30,000, C. rupees 35,000 and D. rupees 50,000. Option D. rupees 50,000. Ninth one. An assessee has paid life insurance premium of rupees 15,000 during the previous year 2019-20 on a policy of rupees 1 lakh. The amount deductible under section 80C shall be A. nil, B. rupees 10,000, C. rupees 12,000 and D. rupees 15,000. Option B. rupees 10,000. 10th one. Due date of filing return of income in case of an assessee having international transactions is A. March 31, B. July 31, C. September 30 and D. November 30. Option D. November 30. Thank you for watching this video.